Hello guys, in the previous video I have already discussed the important characters and summary of the play, The Playboy of the Western World. In this video I am going to discuss the most important themes one by one. So let's start. First and most important theme of the play is the concept of Playboy, which is central to the play because of its prominent place in the title. Initially, a playboy is understood to be a flirtatious man who attracts women by his power of language. That means his mastery of language. Christie, who represents the concept of playboy, drives the concept to a greater place by being champion in the village sports competition. Here we find that a playboy is not only the master of language but also an athlete. But at the end of the play, when Pigeon laments that she has lost the playboy, we understand that she does not regret for losing a playboy and an athletic, but also the master of his own identity. That means a person who makes his own identity or what he is. The next important theme is the power of language. Throughout the poem, we see that Pigeon and everyone of the village are attracted by Christie's style of language. We have no idea about Christie's education. He discovers literary skill to subvert authority, who is everyone of the village shared secretly. Even in her first exchange with Christie, Pigeon compares him to the great poets. The prize he wins in the village competition also symbolizes the traditional Irish bird. In fact, we can say that Christie turns words to place and language plays the most important characters in the play. The message we get is that a person's identity is determined not only by his or her deeds, but also how he or she present those actions in language. The next important theme is darkness, which is used in this play metaphorically as well as literally. Literally, darkness represents frightening, host, evil. In short, the negative criteria of civilization. But the darkness metaphorically symbolizes the subconsciousness of mind. For instance, Michel James Flaherty shelters Christie to stay with his daughter in the pub to spend the night is of course expresses that he gives more priority to emotion which is represented or which symbolizes his subconscious mind. Even Sean does not agree to stay with Pigeon when she is a crisis, only fearing the disapproval of the village priest, Father Rayleigh, who doesn't appear in the play. In case of Sean, he's staying with Pigeon in this crisis symbolizes consciousness of mind and marriage, for which he doesn't agree. To stay symbolizes subconsciousness of his mind. Next important theme is domination or authority. In this play, the term father denotes to authority or domination. There are three fathers in the play. They are Father Michael James Flaherty, Old Mahon, and Father Rayleigh. They demands obedience from their children to be whether to be rejected or accepted. First of all, we get that Old Mahon wants his son to marry a widow whom he doesn't like. Even Michael James Flaherty insists his daughter to marry Sean, though her intention is to marry Christie. Sean refuses to stay with Pigeon in her crisis, only to be obedient to Father Rayleigh. The next important, that is the last theme that we I will discuss, is the protestation against social expectation. Christie's murder of his father incites the action of the play, but this fratricide is metaphorical and literal in this play. Literally, Christie tries to kill his father, but metaphorically, it denotes that Christie tries to break the barrier of social expectation. Thank you.